Welcome to CIT Tech Tips. Today we'll be going over the second episode in a series on Windows 10 support and fixes. Today we're going to be teaching you how to install an update and how to roll back an update. First, click your search bar, then type updates, then click check for updates. After that, click the check for updates box. This will check for updates. Once an update has been detected, it will be downloaded and installed. Make sure you're connected to the internet. Once you are prompted to restart, go ahead and do so. Now let's uninstall an update. Scroll up to the search bar once more and type updates, then click check for updates. Click view update history. Click uninstall updates. Choose the update you wish to uninstall and click uninstall. Congratulations, you have both installed an update and uninstalled an update.